drop. Listen here, this is basic arithmetic. Divide and conquer, so charismatic. Hey, body in the chasing hits like ethics. I'd rather put lead in your ethic. Bad sticks, articulate MCs are rare.
What's up, y'all? It's your boy Mike D back with another sneaker review. Okay, so we have the Nike Adapt BB. I didn't buy this for personal reasons. I bought this just to resell. So let's see. This box is stacked. It has your bottom piece right here. This is gonna pull out on both sides, which is going to allow for this to open up just like that. Top comes off, and you just grab one of these out of here. I don't want to mess with these too much, but there you have it. You have your Nike Adapt BB. Okay, let's see. It's a very nice looking shoe. Again, not for me. These are actually already sold on StockX, and I just wanted to do something quick with them. All right, so here is the bottom piece. This looks like to be your charging port or charging mat, wireless charging. And let's read the tag. We have Nike Air or Nike Adapt BB, 11.5. Let's see if we can see what the price is on these. There we go. $350. All right. So we have that. This is your charging mat. The Nike swoosh on it. Nike Adapt Charger 1.0. And I'm thinking that has to be your power wire, but I'm not going to open it up because, again, this is basically not mine anymore since it is sold. So that was just a quick rundown of it. But from what I read on these, you can customize some of the colors. The two dots right there, the Nike swoosh you can do. Material feels really nice. There's your bottom. Let's see. It has maybe some, you can peel that tape off of it. But it's a cool shoe. Now if you're into this, let's see if we can pull. We'll just pull this out real quick. I don't think we can see anything. All different colors. Alright. There's your Nike tag. Alright, y'all. That was just a quick view of it. I'm going to get out and go take these right now to ship them off to StockX and be done with it. So do me a favor. Like my page. Subscribe. Comment down below what you think of these. The cat seems to like them. So let me know what you think of these. Like, comment, subscribe to the page, and we'll be getting some more videos out to you guys. Thank you. Peace out, y'all.